Welcome back to Cosmo, where the universe is actually much bigger than imagination. Imagine you're drifting through space. Right ahead of you lies a massive black hole. The darkest object in the universe, a place where gravity is so powerful, not even light can escape. Everything you've ever learned tells you one thing: if you fall inside, it's over. But what if that's not true? What if falling into a black hole isn't the end of a universe, but the beginning of another? Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating ideas in modern physics. Could our entire universe exist inside a black hole? For decades, black holes have been viewed as cosmic monsters, objects that swallow everything forever. Stars, planets, even light itself. But the deeper scientists studied them, the stranger they became. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, a black hole doesn't simply crush matter. Instead, space and time become so distorted that our understanding of reality begins to break down. At the very center lies something called a singularity, a point where the known laws of physics no longer work. And that's exactly where the mystery begins. Imagine a sheet of rubber. Place a heavy bowling ball in the middle. The sheet bends. Now imagine placing something infinitely heavy. The sheet doesn't just bend, it tears our understanding apart. That's what a singularity represents, not necessarily the end of space, but the point where our equations stop giving reliable answers. Some physicists have proposed an extraordinary possibility. What if a black hole doesn't destroy everything? What if it creates something new? Imagine blowing a bubble underwater. From the outside, you only see the bubble appear. But inside the bubble, there is an entirely separate space. Some theoretical models suggest that every black hole could give birth to a new expanding universe inside it. A universe with its own space, its own time, its own galaxies, its own history. Now imagine something even more astonishing. What if our own universe began exactly that way? Perhaps our Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything. Perhaps it was simply the birth of our universe, inside a black hole, existing within another universe. This idea may sound like science fiction, but it has been explored by several physicists as a speculative possibility. At the moment, there is no evidence proving that we live inside a black hole, and there is no evidence proving that we don't. The truth is, we simply don't know. Think about it. A fish born inside an aquarium has no idea what's outside the glass. Everything it has ever known exists within its tiny world. Maybe our observable universe is similar. Perhaps we're seeing only the inside of something much larger. The more we discover about the cosmos, the more mysterious it becomes. Dark matter, dark energy, the cosmic web, the great attractor, the boat is void. Every answer leads to another question. And perhaps the biggest question of all is whether our universe is just one small chapter inside a much greater reality. Until next time, keep looking up, because every answer reveals another mystery.